Weather test. Science weather test. Write the letters in the boxes to identify each step of the water cycle. A. Runoff. B. Precipitation. C. Evaporation. D. Condensation. A. Runoff. B. Precipitation. C. Evaporation. D. Condensation. Use the same letters to identify each of the parts of the water cycle. 5. The part of the water cycle when water changes into water vapor, liquid into gas. A. Runoff. B. Precipitation. C. Evaporation. D. Condensation. 6. Water that falls to the earth as rain, hail, snow, or sleet. Runoff. A. B. Precipitation. C. Evaporation. D. Condensation. 7. Water that falls on the earth trying to get to rivers, streams, lakes, or oceans. A. Runoff. B. Precipitation. C. Evaporation. D. Condensation. 8. The part of the water cycle when water vapor changes back into water, gas into liquid. A. Runoff. B. Precipitation. C. Evaporation. D. Condensation. Number 9. Write the letter of the best answer. Number 9. 9 choices. A. Cirrus. B. Stratus. C. Cumulus. D. Tornadoes. Andre looked outside and noticed smooth gray layered clouds covering the entire sky in a thick, even blanket. What kind of clouds did he see? A. Cirrus. B. Stratus. C. Cumulus. 9 tornadoes. 10. Savannah went on a picnic with her family. While at the park, they played a game by making shapes with the large, puffy clouds in the sky. What types of clouds were they using to play their game? A. Cirrus. B. Stratus. C. Cumulus. D. Tornadoes. 11. Joshua noticed that there were some very thin white clouds very high in the sky. He also noticed that it was a very nice day outside. He was probably looking at what type of cloud? A. Cirrus. B. Stratus. C. Cumulus. D. Tornadoes. Circle the correct cloud type. Cumulus, cirrus, or stratus.
Cumulus, cirrus, or stratus?
Cumulus, cirrus, or stratus. Cumulus, cirrus, or stratus. Number 15 through 19. For the following questions, use the letters in the box below to identify the weather instrument. A. Anemometer. B. Barometer. C. Thermometer. D. Rain gauge. E. Wind vane. For the following questions, use the letters in the word box above. A. Anemometer. B. Barometer. C. Thermometer. D. Rain gauge. E. Wind vane. 20. Which instrument measures temperature? Anemometer, barometer, thermometer, rain gauge, wind vane. 21. Which instrument measures airspeed? Anemometer, barometer, thermometer, rain gauge, wind vane. 22. Which instrument tells the direction the wind is blowing? Anemometer, barometer, thermometer, rain gauge, wind vane. 23. Which instrument measures air pressure? Anemometer, barometer, thermometer, rain gauge, wind vane. 24. Which instrument measures the amount of precipitation that falls? Anemometer, barometer, thermometer, rain gauge, wind vane. Identify each type of severe weather, tornado or hurricane. 26. A small funnel-shaped storm that moves very quickly over land. Many of these types of storms occur from Texas through Kansas. These storms are very destructive. 26. A storm that begins over warm ocean waters and affects mainly islands and coastal areas. This storm is also very destructive, but has a calm center that is known as the eye of the storm. Use the words in the box, from the box, to fill in the blanks. Write the letter for each word. A, cold front. B, air mass. C, warm front. D, humidity. E, wind. F, stationary front. G, air pressure. H, forecast. I, sleet. J, front. 22. Blank is the weight of the air above us. Cold front, air mass, warm front, humidity, wind, stationary front, air pressure, forecast, sleet, front. 23. A blank is a prediction of the weather an area can expect. Cold front, air mass, warm front, humidity, wind, stationary front, air pressure, forecast, sleet, front. 24. A large region of air of the same temperature is an cold front, air mass, warm front, humidity, wind, stationary front, air pressure, forecast, sleet.